So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to claim a Notion business subscription absolutely free. First, visit the giveaway link provided in the description. This is an official promotion, and you can access all the premium AI models for free without making any payment. No credit card is required to claim this offer. All you need is a professional email address. If you don't have a custom domain email, just follow these next steps. Go to Google and search for Boomlify email. Then visit the official website and follow my guide to create a professional email address. Choose a domain, pick a username like support or admin, and create your email. Once your email is ready, use it to complete the sign-up process on Notion. Enter your name, fill in the required details, complete your business profile, and you're all set. You can use any random details if you want. It doesn't really matter for the sign-up. All right, that's it, guys. You've successfully claimed Notion Business Premium for free, and you can now use all the premium AI models at no cost. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and hype up the video. Subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss future giveaways. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.